Okay, now, the next thing we're going to deal with here is probabilities of multiple events. Now this is something I'm guessing you maybe haven't done yet. I might be wrong. I happen to know that simple probability, though, rolling a coin, or flipping a coin, rolling a die, that kind of stuff happens in sixth grade. I've seen it there. Whether or not we deal with multiple events or not, I don't know.
And just time them together.
Yeah, basically. So, find the probability of rolling a 6, then a 2 on a die with 2 successive rolls. All right, so you find each individual probability, multiply them together, and then simplify. That's how you do it. And it's going to be a situation where they have the exact order they want. So they want to get a 6, then a 2. A 2, then a 6 isn't good enough. So they want a 6 first, then a 2. So, notice, a fair coin is tossed 4 times. What's the probability the first 2 times it comes up head, the last 2 times it comes up tails? So we're at the probability of getting exactly head first, head second, tail third, tail fourth. Okay. Notice the difference in the wording of the problem. The first problem we saw said a fair coin is flipped 3 times, came up heads every time. What happens on the next flip? This is saying a fair coin is tossed. What's the probability that all this stuff happens? Ran out of arm room there. All right. So we're looking for the exact possibility of that exact outcome happening. First heads, then a second heads, then a tails, then a second tails. Okay? So the probability of getting heads on the first flip is what?
1/2.
1/2. The probability of getting heads on the second flip is
1/2.
1/2. The probability of getting tails on the third flip is 1/2. And the fourth flip getting tails is 1/2. So if I multiply those together, we get 1 on top and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16 on the bottom. 1 out of 16 is the possible outcomes, or the probability of that exact outcome happening. Okay. There's more than one way to get 2 heads and 2 tails, but to get head, head, tail, tail in that exact order, that's the only way to do it. Alright, so keep that in mind, that we're dealing only with specific order. If they start saying, how many ways are there to get 2 heads and 2 tails, that's a more advanced problem. It's a little bit more challenging.